folks, handyman contractors out there, DIY professionals, home professionals. I'm asking for advice. How can I fix this fence with very little money and few hand tools? I could get my hands on some tools. Alright, this is this side of the fence. The gate is what I'm talking about. Alright, just to show you. Alright, and you can see came off the rails. The rails came off the post. The bottom still okay. Now I'm going to try and open this with one hand. I can't do it. I got to lift up. You see? You see? So what I want to do is somehow fix this, make it stable. Whoever did the job, the insurance company paid some kid. Unbelievable. Insurance adjusters get to pick who they want. Homeowners can't when you're recovering from a hurricane. This fence was put in after Hurricane Ivan back in like 2005. So, you see, it rocks. So, any advice is certainly appreciated. See? Thank you. Let me know.